Hi guys, it's me Caddy of Caddy's Playtime, and today we're playing Jailbreak. We are now in the new update. We're checking it out. It's called the February update, and they have like a lot of new stuff going on. And one more that we have to check is the new Jetski. Well, it's better. I heard that it's 25,000 only. So we must keep on grinding, guys. Because after I buy my Cybertruck, I got really, poor now. And then it says there that new bank floors, intense hallway action with corridors, new banks, plus jewelry building, and then everything, every graphics. Oh wow, yeah, we're checking right now. Oh, look at that bank. It looks so amazing. The graphics in our it looks so nice now. Well, let's but the bank is closed. So let's check the other area. But I so love this new update. Look at the color of every building. It looks so nice and it looks so bright. It says here that we have to use the code February Feb 2020. It's Feb 2020. That's the new code for the update. And we will be getting 10,000 cash for that code. So let's just go first to a safe area, then we're gonna use the code. Okay, one moment. Okay. Oh, yeah, so we're at the gasoline station. Let's just check if he has some money right now. Okay, so first let's redeem FEB 2020. Yep. So there you go, guys. We got the code now, and we got 10,000 K from that Feb 2020. Oh, what is this? What is this? Is this a paper airplane? Oh, they put so much details now in this game. So, okay, guys, let's just jump in our helicopter and check all those new updates right now. And then, other than that, we'll be showing you guys on how to rob one by one those banks, jewelries, museums with some of the server's friends. Okay, so better join me. Oh my god, guys, it's getting so crazy now. Uh, and I like, look, they actually updated the jewelries. Oh, this must be it. Oh gosh, be careful. I have to be careful, guys, because they actually update everything. And it looks, yeah, like what they said. It looks so intense now. Oops, oops, be careful. Oh, yeah. So, let's go. One more. Okay. Oh god, oh, guys, my heart is beating so fast, to be honest, whenever I parachute. No, not parachute, but parachute. Okay, so yeah, like what I said, guys, my heart. Oh, there's a hell. The train is here. The train is here. Oh my God, the train is here. We have to catch that train. Yes, guys, we have to. I will try to. There. Okay. Oh, this is so nice, guys. Okay. So, okay. There is it. There is it. We got it, guys. And then one more, and then go to one more. I'm full now. I'm full now. Okay, so we can actually, yeah, we can leave in this area. And then we'll just gotta get. Oh, good that we hurry the target. We can use our cyber truck. This is, remember guys, from our last from the last time, this is where the area that we bought our cyber truck. So let's just go to the hideout, and later we can actually change the detail of my car. Oh, wait, is it open? Is it open? No, 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 guys, no. So, oh, I love every details right now. And I got a paycheck as a criminal. Okay, so let's check one more area. I should actually change that plate number. Okay, guys, we actually claim our money now, so let's try to check the bank. Corridor. Oh my god, guys, this is actually what they said from the update. This is the corridor that they are talking about, but we have to be careful. Oh my god, I got my health. Uh, Okay guys, we are now at the bank. We're gonna try it out. Oh gosh, this is so super intense. Whenever I hear that, it makes my heart beat so fast. Oh, so oh gosh. So the lasers are turning like that now. Oh, that's super scary. Wow. Um, we didn't expect that. Oh gosh. We're now inside. Let's gather more. Okay. 500, 600, 700, 800, 2000, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3000. Okay, so oh my god, have to be careful guys. And then yep, we're getting out. So next stop, oh my god, someone stole my car. It's super annoying. Oh, okay. god, this is so scary, guys! Oh god, no, I really hate this. I super hate this. Oh gosh. Well, guys, pray for me that I can do this. Please pray for me that we can do this. We can do this, guys. Oh, yes. One more. One more on. No, we're getting good. Getting good. Oh, this is the hard one now. I hope there is no falling laser, guys. I am super bad at this one. So we have to be careful. We have to really be careful. Okay. Oh. Gosh. Oh my, our health. So we have, oh, we're at the fourth floor now, at the fifth floor now. Oh, then we died. Okay guys, so, right now we're just in the street. Let's see, maybe we can rub some donuts. See that donut? See that donut? Oh my god, I want some donuts. Yes, guys. 1 second. Okay, let's try. Hey, you. Give me all your donuts. I don't need your money. All the donuts. That's all I need. Hey. Oh. Well. Okay, guys. Let's now check out the gas station. Let's check out the gas station right now and see if there is something we can do. Okay, I guess we're almost here. I noticed that my car looks different. It looks like foolish. It looks like... Oh, okay, wait 1 second. See? Better give me all your money right now since you're the most richest player. I mean, owner of the game here in Roblox. Oh, yeah. So, guys, all you need to do is just to redeem the code FAB2020 and you will be getting like 10,000 cash. Don't forget to claim that.
So guys, we are now heading to the museum and we're flying.
Oh, wow. Oh, okay guys, but no one is actually here. We need to ask someone to help us with the museum. So let's better ask someone. I hope there are people who will come in.
Hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Thank God. Now we're gonna. Wow, they are all. It's a lot of them, and they got this super cool car too. Okay, let's be careful. Oh, that's actually nice that there is something like that there now. Oh God. So let's grab it. Let's grab everything. But we have to be careful because our life. I accidentally just tapped on that red laser. And yes, guys, I got 4 kilograms now. So let's. Oopsie! Oh God! Oh, here. We can actually get this one. Yep. Let's do the codings. Let's decode this. Let's decipher this puzzle, and then let's see. Okay. Mhm. Okay. One more. It's a bit hard to click. I don't know why. Okay. Okay. Let's tell them. Okay, let's go. Let's go out. Let's go out. And where's my car? Oh. Okay. Let's drive it. Okay, guys. Let's try to fly. We're gonna fly now. Oh. Oh, sorry for my bad driving. Well, at least we got a good car that can actually flips. And then, oh, okay, why he stopped there? Well, let's just collect this. Collect this. Okay. We're gonna play as a police right now. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to hunt the top bounty players in this game, the top criminals. Oh my god. So guys, let's check. Oh my god, these criminals got super high bounty. So let's try to um arrest them. Let's see if we can arrest them without dying. Okay? So let's go. Okay. So let's go and check it. Okay, this guy. First guy is here. We got him. There are some people outside. There. Let's try to kill. Okay. We can do this. We can do this. We can do this. We can do this. Okay. We got 2 now. So get all the cars in this game, guys. What do you think? I'm sure it will be super amazing. Okay, guys, we're gonna put this tire traps. Let's see what will happen if we'll put them. Yes, for sure. We're just gonna come around and then just hide here a bit. Okay. I can hear them now. There. So we have our Cybertruck. Oh no, I'm sorry. I thought it's my Cybertruck. I was so confused. But I can get this. Okay, we're gonna. Gosh, we can do this, girl. I'm sorry, but I need to bring you to the police station. Sorry, girl. But she just died. Oh, did she? Okay. We arrested her. Okay. There's a criminal, guys. There's a criminal. We can actually check it first before we buy the jet ski. We're running. Wait, why he is flying? That is so unbelievable. He just fly. Just fly. Okay, the criminal is trying to shoot us, but we will have to do something. He is from the top right now. Let's see. We're not scared. We are not scared of that. We can actually check out, but there are so many hackers in this game, guys. Okay, so let's just I'm actually just, from your around. Oh, and here it is. Here it is, guys. Oh, wait, 1 second. Let me just check this first. Okay, here. So right now, we just bought the jet ski, guys. We're trying it now. Look at us. Look at us. Aren't we the coolest? Okay, guys. So let's try it now. Let's try this now. Oh, it's really fast. It's really fast. I super enjoy it. Okay, let's one more time. I really love that there is like this. How do you call this? I don't know how you call this, but it's super cool and it's super fun. But let's try one more, guys, one more. Oh my, have you seen that, guys? That's super far. Oh my gosh, that is super far. Oh gosh. Well, so I guess that's it. And let's go check out our friends now. So that's it for us today, guys. Thank you so much for playing with us. And by the way, I am with my friend Abu. And so better watch us for our upcoming videos with my friends here. We're playing more Roblox for you, so better check out all our videos, subscribe, like our channel, and share us.
Bye.
See you next time. Bye bye.
Bye.